Hey guys, it's Green Tree from Garber Guys, and I'm just going to show you how to get a vehicle out of transport mode. We recently just delivered a vehicle to a customer, during these times where, well, we left the transport mode on. Apologize for that, but I'm just going to show you a quick process on how you get that out. Now, when you get into the truck, you'll see that it says transport mode is on. You'll see that the little battery light is blinking as well. So go ahead and turn the vehicle on. You can see transport mode on now, and as you see that the little battery is blinking still. You'll want to go over, turn your blinkers on, and then just put your foot on the brake and the push button start. Just push and hold it and continue to hold the button down. Truck will shut down, but just keep holding the button down. Don't let up. And here in a second, it'll just pop up on the screen. There you go. Transport mode is off. Dismiss. Go ahead and turn your blinkers off. Start the truck up. And you'll see that the battery light is no longer blinking. And the truck is no longer in transport mode. And that is just how you get out of the transport mode on a Silverado push button start. If it's a key, a physical key, that is a different process. A little bit different, but not much. And I can show you guys that if somebody does want that. Just leave a comment and I will do that. As always, if you do find these useful and whatnot, hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll be continually doing things, especially during these times now. And I'll do one a little bit later on what's going on with all that, with the current situation in the world. All right, thanks.